Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to take a closer look at the most popular hot and cold wallets where you can safely store your cryptocurrencies. As we venture into the world of digital assets, finding the right wallet to safeguard our cryptocurrencies becomes essential. These wallets, whether hot or cold, serve as our personal vaults in the digital space, ensuring the security of our assets. So buckle up as we navigate through some of the top options. Hot wallets are online wallets, convenient for frequent access and transactions. Here are some of the most trusted hot wallets in the cryptocurrency space. First up, we have Coinbase Wallet. This wallet is noted for its user-friendly interface and wide range of supported cryptocurrencies. Plus, it offers an integrated experience with the Coinbase exchange, making it a great starting point for beginners. Next on our list is MetaMask. This wallet is known for its simplicity and seamless integration with Ethereum and ERC20 tokens. A favorite among DeFi users, MetaMask is available both as a browser extension and a mobile app. Last but not least, we have Trust Wallet. Owned by Binance, this mobile wallet supports a vast array of cryptocurrencies and is celebrated for its ease of use and security features. While these hot wallets offer convenience and ease of use, they may not be as secure as cold wallets. Cold wallets, on the other hand, are offline and provide higher security for your assets. Here are some top cold wallet options. Let's start with the Ledger Nano X, a hardware wallet that's like a vault for your digital currencies. It supports over 1,000 cryptocurrencies and connects to your device via Bluetooth or USB. Next up is the Trezor Model T. This is another hard-hitting hardware wallet with a touchscreen interface supporting hundreds of cryptocurrencies. It's like having a personal bank in your pocket. Lastly, we have the Humble Paper Wallet. This involves printing your public and private keys on paper. It's simple, offline, and ultra-secure, but it requires careful handling and a good understanding of security implications. These cold wallets provide added security, but they may not be as convenient for frequent transactions. When choosing a wallet, consider your needs for security, convenience, and which cryptocurrencies you plan to hold. We've explored some of the most popular hot wallets like Coinbase, MetaMask, and Trust Wallet, as well as cold wallets such as Ledger Nano X, Trezor Model T, and paper wallets. Remember, your choice should align with your trading habits and the level of security you require. Always do your research and select a wallet from a reputable provider. That wraps up our guide on popular hot and cold wallets. For more information and direct links to these wallets, check the video description. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Have any questions or want to share your experience with these wallets? Drop a comment below. See you in the next video.